Hi, welcome to Flyingvoice. I'm Albert. In the last video, we introduced the 8-port ATA gateway for the POS replacement. In today's video, we are going to introduce the best partner for PR08, the LM150 4G ruggedized router. The LM150 is a 4G modem that can insert 2 SIM cards. When one SIM card fails to connect, the another SIM card can continue its work and keep the connection uninterrupted, which makes your connection 24 hours uninterrupted, suitable for emergency scenario like POS replacement, the elevator phones, and the fire panels. The LM150 have 3 SMA ports. That means you can connect different type of antenna according to your requirements, which makes it suitable for various scenarios. The 3 SMA ports for the LM150, 2 of them is for 4G connection, and 1 is for the GNSS, the Global Navigation Satellite. The LM150 was made by aluminum alloy, making it suitable for industrial usage scenarios. It also has an IK10 mechanical protection and 6 kV lightning protection. The LM150 supports a standard UART port. It can connect to different types of IoT devices. The LM150 supports PoE function. You can use PR08 to provide power for the LM150. Meanwhile, the LM150 can also provide network for the PR08. The LM150 also has a power port that can connect to the PR08 or other devices that can provide power by these MOLEC connectors. The LM150 also supports a FXS port. It can support VoLTE call and also VoIP call. The LM150 is a very powerful router for the POS replacement solution. You can install it in any POS replacement solution and you can enjoy the convenience and the fast internet connection via the 4G connection. That's all for today's video. If you are interested in the LM150 or the PR08, please contact us. Thanks for watching.